Now let's go back to the summer of 2019. This is the sky over Tallahassee, Florida. Look kind of in the middle bottom. Whoosh. You can see the microburst kind of dropping from the clouds. So there's a process here that's going on, which leads us to our weather wisdom question of the day. Every morning at 50 past the hour, we're going to open our weather classroom and teach you a little fun and interesting stuff about the weather. Today's question, simply, what causes a microburst? Great question. Let's get into this because, you know, sometimes microbursts can cause a tremendous amount of damage because you're talking about taking a whole thunderstorm and literally collapsing it. How does this happen? All right, so thunderstorms come in three phases. They're building, they mature, and then they collapse. During the building phase, you can get into these thunderstorms with a little bit of dry air, especially in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. That actually helps to grow the hail. Hail is heavy, and it takes the maturing stage and the updraft to actually hold up that hail and that rain. But what about once the thunderstorm matures, all right? What's gonna happen with all that melting hail and rain? Whoosh, it's gonna come crashing down. Sometimes it comes down at 50 to even 90 miles per hour. So you can just imagine, it's not just a small little tornado signature, which would be one little part of the thunderstorm. It's literally the core of the thunderstorm, which can be miles wide, all right? It's going to be one spot. It's not going to have a path, but this is what usually happens. When it comes out, that air has no place to go but fanning out, and you cause damage literally from where the downburst starts out to the outer edges of the microburst. All right, so what weather do you want to gain some wisdom about? Send us your questions on social media either by tagging AMHQ or using the hashtag WeatherWisdom, and we will answer them every day at 50 past the hour.